All right, this is the pipe staging that I made. Right now it's just tacked together, and I have one more section that I'm gonna make, and I wanted it to match up with the same width as my Vanguard style staging, which you can see here. The staging I'm making will be the second level to the staging. And then here are the ridge hooks or ladder brackets. I designed these so that they would go over the ridge caps and not damage the ridge caps of my roof. I ended up bending metal straps, you'll be able to see them here, form, and then bolting them to the angle iron. And for the pipe staging, I bought braces at Home Depot for 30 bucks each, just because they're just standard size braces and there's no sense in making them. I definitely saved money on, but the braces would have been pretty even. And the next shot, this is the jig that I use to facilitate welding together the scaffolding. And these boards here hold the pipes parallel while I weld it up. And that piece of plywood's holding the pin that holds the brace at the right level. And that's how I registered it there, that stop block, and then I get a stop block there. That keeps it nice and square. The next section here is gonna show chimney cap that I have to replace. Thought is to take the first 2 or 3 courses off and then form the chimney cap and pour the chimney cap so that the chimney cap has a 4-inch overhang and a 4-inch edge on the outside and then a slope up towards. So if I take off 3 courses, that would probably work out pretty good, because then I'd have 1 height of brick for the worth of slope and 2 heights of brick for the thickness of the outside edge. And you can see my roof there. That's where the ladders are gonna go. They'll sit there, and then I'll use roof brackets on top of the ladders to hold a plank so that I can have a planks going from the roof over to the pipe staging will be on the front of the chimney. And then that way I can surround the entire chimney with staging. That's my goal. So basically it's about, I'm shooting for a working height for my feet at about 13 feet off the ground. And then I think the top of the chimney is around 17 feet or 16 feet 8. So that gives me plenty of room to work on it. And I won't be so high that it's uncomfortable, and I won't be so low that it's uncomfortable. And then I might have to do some pointing there on some of the brickwork too, but the main thing right now is just to get the cap on, and then the pointing I can always do at another time. So, all right, that's it. And yeah, that top, those brick piers with the bluestone cap is coming off forever. That's not going to be replaced. Right now there's a stainless steel chimney liner and a stainless steel cap underneath that. And what I'll do is I'll just get a cover for that cap. Yeah, so that's it. All right. And the reason why I overdubbed this is because the microphone on my phone died somehow. So this is it. All right, bye.